Okay, now let's talk about the confidence. Feed your mind with success or it will rot your mediocrity. There are five ways to regain confidence so you can take on world. Confidence is the key in any area in your life. Without confidence, you can't close the deals. Without confidence in your life, you will stay on job you hate forever. Without confidence, you will be punished around by world. There is a myth out there that confidence is something you're born with. Whether you have it or you don't. That's 100% false. Confidence is something you're born with. It's something you can achieve or you can acquire. If you think as a powerful CEO or powerful athlete or world class performer are born confident, you're wrong. Confidence is just habit that is developed over time. As a Robert Kiyosaki said, confidence comes first from the strict discipline and training. Here are 7 ways you can train your mind and body to think and feel and act confidently in any situation in your life. First one, use positive self-talk. What are you saying about your regular basis? Is your self-talk empowering your positive or negative feelings? As a brain expert, Jim Quick said, studies shows that negative self-talk is associated with a high level of stress and depression. A lot of people say things to themselves they would never say to other people. Why is that? Here's the thing, your brain is always listening to whatever you're saying. Not only what you say others, but the interval talk about your own self, own life. Well, I'm not recommending that you lie to yourself because some self-talk is constructive and can actually make you better. But some of it is so negative. It hurts ability to make progress. For example, let's say you are overweight right now. Now that you know, need to lose weight, first off, congratulate yourself for having awareness that you need to lose weight to live a better life. Now, self-talk comes in. Negative self-talk would be statement like, I'm so fat, I'm always been this way, I can't even lose weight, I always letting myself down and I can't actually achieve my goals. What is this man? On the other hand, positive self-talk would sound like, I'm excited to get in a gym and start realizing and I'm releasing this weight and I'm losing this weight for good purpose. I'm proud of myself for having discipline to wake up early and go on a run. You have to make a choice to be optimistic and engage in positive self-talk. Don't beat yourself up for whatever you're going through. Become on your best friend. Use self-talk to fuel massive changes in your life. A good rule of thumb, if you wouldn't say something to someone else, don't say it to yourself. That is lie. Self-talk is the most powerful form of communication because it either empowers you or it defeats you. Second thing, get it done. Confidence is built on accomplishment. If you achieve small and big goals, you are going to feel much better about yourself. It's all begin with your activity on daily basis. One of my coaches, Dr. Jim, talks about the importance of having self integrity. If you say you are going to do something, you do it, whether you feel like or not. By doing the things you need to do, regardless of how you are feeling, you will develop self integrity with yourself. By keeping the promise you make to yourself, will make that part of your identity. This will program your mind to make completing tasks part who you are. Think about it. You will respect yourself if always you are going to do something, you will do it. Not to mention, believe in yourself to come easy. because you know you are not afraid of work. This type of daily accomplishment will give you tons of confidence to help you reach your short-term and long-term goals effortlessly. Third, visualize you are being a confident. Creative visualization is one of the best way to help you achieve any goal in life, including the goal to have more confidence within yourself. Olympic athlete or CEO or high performer understand the power of visualization. Because as a Napoleon Hill says, what the mind can conceive and better it can achieve. Visualize works because your brain doesn't understand the difference between imagination and reality. If you visualize yourself being a confident, showing up the world how you want on a regular basis, your brain will start to believe in yourself. The trick is to get into the very relaxed state. Usually after meditation, close your eyes, imagine being a confident version of yourself, whether it's at work, in social settings, speaking with strangers. Imagine yourself carrying conversation being smooth and people liking you. Do this over and over again. The brain learns through repetition. The more you can ingrain this feeling in a nervous system, the faster it can happen externally. Help others. Let's say you are great at sales or sport but you have lost confidence in some reason. It's at some moment where it's vital to monitor self talk and remember how good you are. One way to show yourself that is to help others. Find someone who can trying to do whatever you're doing and help them. Instead of focusing on your own temporary confidence issues, volunteer, mentor, or teach someone else. You can only will you have them grow. You will help them move forward. Last and fifth, feel the fear and do it anyway. Think back in last time you had a fear in your life and faced it head on. May it was a public speaking or skydiving. If you think about it, I'm sure you scared of it because you weren't very confident. When you feel in control, you are not afraid. When you have a level of comfort of something, it's not scary. Every single wildly successful person has been afraid. And they've kept working and taking risks anyway. And taking any risk in his or her life. Everyone who has achieved anything significantly fought past a fear. Focus on task at hand. The next time you feel the fear, think about how much you want to achieve your goal. Then put your fear to the side and keep going. The trick is gone one day at a time. Final thought of confidence is, if you are struggling in your own confidence battle, keep going. Use these tips and help push you forward. Remember, if you keep whatever you are doing, you will get whatever you always gotten. Mix it up. Find the confidence. Whatever your confidence to achieve the big goals in dreams, always feed yourself.